She's here, she's there, she's everywhere. It's Tyra, the creator. She's everywhere. It's Tyra, the creator. It's Tyra, the creator. Come on and follow me.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not.
We've left Florence. It was amazing, and we are on our way to Venice, which is our last freaking stop on this trip. We have about 20 more minutes before we make it to our last stop. It's kind of cloudy and dreary outside, but it's gonna be great. We have some great stuff planned for Venice, and I'm just excited. I can't believe the trip is almost over. I feel like I just got here yesterday.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Ooh. Oh my God. We have made it into our hotel room. Y'all, this hotel is so freaking nice. So Tal and I have been at the hotel since 2 o'clock. It is now 4:32. So we've been at the hotel for about 2 hours and 32 minutes. And now we are ready to go out on the town. Venice is so freaking cute, y'all. Everything is on water. We saw a water ambulance, water police, water taxi, gondola, some Vesputis or whatever they call, local gondolas or whatever, all of that stuff, and I cannot believe it. I just have on this outfit. Tal and I are about to go to Murano, where you find all of the Italian glass, because Venice is very known for their glassware and stuff. Woo, your girl is ready to go, but before we get out of the door, I wanted to show y'all a little bit more of the room. This is the bed. Everything is like all over the place now because we've been like unpacking and stuff. But you guys, we have this outdoor patio area that is so beautiful. You can walk out here and see what there is to see. This is the hotel. All of this is the hotel. We don't have a room viewing the water, but this is honestly okay. This is the newer building that they built to the hotel, so I'm super excited, and the room is humongous. But if you would like to know more about the hotels that we stayed in and, you know, the rates and everything like that, make sure you check out the video that I have about my trip to Italy, how I booked it and all of that, because all of the information will be there for you. Now let's go. Murano, here we come.
Welcome, friends and family, upon the bus boat. We're on our way to Murano right now, and we're planning on having a really good time. It would do my heart good for you to join us. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
1 scoop on that one. You like your gelato, Tal? So Tal is almost done with his cone, and this is still mine. I've never had pistachio gelato before, but this, y'all, this is good.
Tyra, how scared are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
1.
Right. Yeah, see? Tyra, what you going through? Okay. How scared are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
1.
Don't lie.
Wine. Yum, 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 yum.
Bacalà, salame e tramezzini, mortadella.
Ooh, yes.
Ok,
A saluta.
bacalà,
Bacala.
mantecato,
Mantecato.
mantecato,
Oh,
mantecato.
mantecato. Look at all this water. Oh my god. Woo. Oh, shit. Thank you, kind sir. What is up, you guys? Tal and I are enjoying our last meal in Venice, Italy, and we are fulfilled. I know the last couple of days have been pretty choppy, but we just decided to start enjoying the trip, and I wasn't recording nearly as much. We've only been in Venice for 2 days. So we got here and we went to Murano to look at the glassware that they have. So I ended up buying a pizza cutter and I cannot wait to use it. You guys know I'm a chef, so I was really excited to find that they had all kinds of stuff and all kinds of kitchenware. Then we ate at this restaurant and I got a calzone, and I did not know that a real calzone or the calzone at that restaurant did not have pizza sauce inside of it. So they just put a little dollop on top, but hey, it was okay. Yesterday we had a photo shoot super early in the morning at 7:30 a.m. and we just finished looking through our photos and we love them. I will link our photographer down in the description box below. Check him out. We found him on Airbnb as an Airbnb experience, so we decided to take a few photos in Venice together so we could remember this trip, because this is our first international trip that we've taken together. And after that, we ate some gelato and then we went on another boat tour. But first, we went on a gondola ride during our photo shoot, which was so freaking dope. And after that, we went on another boat ride that we found on Airbnb as an Airbnb experience. I'm going to have another video for you guys showing all of the experiences we did and how we booked them, and just a lot of information about our international trip and what we did to make our trip what it was on a budget. So I have a few of those videos coming up, so make sure you tune in for those. So now we're just about to finish eating our breakfast and we gotta head to the airport soon. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure your notifications are on so you can get all of the alerts anytime your girl posts any new content. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Cappuccino. What's some of your favorite Italian words that you done learned?
Ciao.
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 Buonasera.
You were like, buonasera. What is that?
Linguini. Fettuccine.
Tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle. Vino.
Vino. Not Italian. Have you ever had a cannoli? Where you Italian at?
Right here. Right here.
Okay.
And here.
Okay. You gonna have to help me finish eating this. You want some? No? Wow.
That's the way you've been looking on it. Exactly. Don't look on me like that.
Why would I? That's nasty. I don't lick on nothing but food like that. Ice cream, not even food. Would you lick a rib like that? That's disgusting.
Beef.
Where do you think our next trip will be?
Maui.
Maui? What is it? Hawaii?
Ooh, Tyra in the airport trying to get drunk. She buying alcohol. Why you ain't getting no vino? What is that?
It's pistachio cream and gianduja cream.
Proud of yourself? What do you got to say for yourself?
I want to take this moment to thank my mom for allowing me to be the person that I truly am.
Oh, so she's to blame for this.
Okay, I gotta take that back.